again. Kobe wasn't quite ready for it. He thought Eddie was going to swoop it down. Mark Price got picked. They're going to bring in Melvin Booker here, and he wanted to drop it. Warriors should get the ball back. Pulls up with 5 on the clock and drains a 3. What a shot by Kobe Bryant.
Thank you, Kobe. And this is great. Devin Booker. Here's Kobe back again on PJ, playing him tough shot, got it. Kobe Bryant.
Left, Vince on the right, and Kobe leaving a couple of Raptors behind. He had 26.
Season roster. There's going to be nights when the coach tells certain players, you know, tonight you won't play, but the next game you will.
Stolen by Kobe. There he goes. Dumps it home. A steal and a slam for Kobe Bryant.
Was able to deflect it and get the Lakers running the other direction. So it's all about the defense, and who better to lead that way than your leader. Lead by example. One thing to talk about it, another thing to do it.
December with a play against Houston. Wow, that was a terrific shot by Bryant as he fought to hit the runner, and Kobe has 9 in the fouls on Koufos for the first time.
Houston came up short. Bryant to the hook. Oh, Kobe Bryant. That was out of the slam dunk contest.
Really into it. Artest, double. Shot clock at 6. Kobe Bryant.
Talk about an answering machine.
En forme avec 22 points pour aider les Lakers à battre Minnesota 107 à 101.
Kobe Bryant toujours enferré dans ses dribbles. Il joue un petit peu solo, mais ça marche. 2 actions positives de suite pour Kobe Bryant.
Oui, c'est playground.
Playground. Alors qu'on revoit le petit festival là de Kobe Bryant. Un tir indéfendable pour la
back. Covington has really added that, I believe, to his game.
Kobe in the lane, puts it back. 13 points for a guy who's averaging 15 and a half in his 20th and final season in the NBA. That's a
Galloway and Grant both in for the first time. Bryant, now it's 3 in a row.
They have a positive game plan and pursue it.
Nice feet inside. Bryant to Black.